Shenzhen Soar Technology Company Limited has been engaged in connectors, adapters, wire harness and cable assembly industry nearly 11 years, accumulated profound industry experience. Our factory covers an area of nearly 6,000 plus square meters and has 80 plus experienced employees. Our main products include connectors, adapters, wire harness, cables for industrial and consumer electronic products, especially vehicle wire harness, antenna, coaxial cable assembly, medical cable, as well as all kinds of customized wire harness, and even aerospace cable assembly. We have obtained IATF 16949, 2016 System Certification, ISO 13485, 2016 Medical Devices Quality Certification, ISO 14001, 2015 Quality and Environment Certification. We are also MFI authorized manufacturer and National High-Tech Enterprises, strictly controlled quality system, perfect testing instruments, excellent production equipment, skilled management and operating staff ensure the stability of our product quality. Our experienced engineering team provides customers with all-round solutions for tooling, product and production, inspection fixture design, product and production, inspection fixture design, R&D, trial production and mass production. Our sales team quickly feedback customers' demand and achieve the customer's goal, which facilitate to win so many North America, Europe, Southeast Asia, Africa customers high trust. We are also qualified supplier around Asia, US, Europe. We welcome both OEM and ODM orders. We are looking forward to cooperating with overseas customers based on mutual benefits. Please contact us directly for more information. Thank you.